Most relationships fail because they lack a defined structural baseline. You aren't drifting toward a goal, you are drifting toward inevitable friction. Today, we deploy the relationship audit. We stop treating your dynamic as a mystical, unpredictable bond and start treating it as a high-performance system. First, you must map your current operational inputs: time, capital, and emotional bandwidth. If you do not know where these critical resources are flowing, you cannot possibly manage the output. Second, you must ruthlessly identify the systemic leaks, the recurring arguments that provide zero data and yield zero resolution. These leaks act as a silent drain on the total energy of the partnership, preventing you from scaling your life together. Third, define your terminal velocity, the objective-driven state where both partners are operating at peak efficiency toward a singular shared future. Use this audit to strip away the emotional fluff that hides these inefficiencies. If you cannot define your baseline with absolute clarity, you cannot optimize your outcome. Stop the drift. Stop the speculation. Conduct the audit and establish the foundation of your future success. Subscribe for weekly updates on structural relationship architecture.